MS Dhoni total 6 in IPL. Number 10.
That's just another six of the day in the first ball you face, thank you.
That's hit beautifully.
Number 9.
Oh, and he launches. The big baby works. There's six. And six of the best.
Number 8.
Oh, anyone catch this? Smith, it's over his head by a mile. A beauty. He's good, isn't he, Dhoni? There's so much talent out there.
Number 7.
And he's gone down the ground. I think it's massive. He has cleared it. That is a phenomenal hit from Dhoni. Maybe he's timed it to perfection.
Unbelievable cricket, really unbelievable.
Number 6.
That's just another six of the day in the first ball you face, thank you.
Number 5.
No question. This should be it. It's six. It's six. Here he goes. This is what Dhoni loves.
When you're someone like MS Dhoni,
Number 4.
That's just another six of the day in the first ball you face, thank you.
That's hit beautifully.
Number 3.
Oh, my word. Welcome back to spell number 3, Brett Lee of MS Dhoni.
Number 2.
Out he comes. And away she goes. That's some missing, isn't it? Oh, what a beauty. Great use of the females.
Number 1.
In the air. It's a short boundary. And it's six. It was a miss hit, a total miss hit from Dhoni. But he's hitting to the right end and it went sailing over Simon's head. It was just in front of us. Simon's had no shot.
अगर मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए दोस्तों।